Hi, smash repairs from New Zealand. Fred Fisher from Tech Products in Brisbane, Australia. We've been speaking to you guys about the Telwin 10,000 inverter spot welder. Two of you are going to be the recipient of a very highly discounted product to get them into New Zealand. We've had many inquiries. We've had for the Telwin products, spot welders and silicon bronze MIG welder. This is our most popular seller. We've sold hundreds of them in Australia. The Telwin 10,000, the true inverter spot welder. Double side, single side gun, 7 sets of arms, and a slide hammer dent system. We'll just run through how you set them up. You plug the end of the back of them, 3-phase lead, 20 amps only. Turn him on. They're also very easy to use, these products. All you do after it's been turned on, goes through its paces. You press start. Comes up high strength steel. Let's set up the high strength steel right now. It'll come to you pre-programmed. I'll just use the double side gun. Fits nicely to the holster on the side of the machine. Comes with 7 sets of arms. Brandy, give you a bit of a look at some of the arms in there. Up to 500mm boot floor arms. It also comes with wheel arch arms. Pull the trigger, does it all by itself. All you do is hold your finger on the trigger, it will weld all by itself. If it can't do a good weld, it won't do one for some reason. They go from double side to single side. It also gives you a readout on the screen as to how many amps it used for that particular weld, which is unique to the Telwin product. Single side to double side is very easy, the machine stays on. All you do is just change the trigger cable. Press your start button. And change your load setting back to FE2N. Hold your load setting down for 3 seconds. And you are single side welding. This is a single side gun. Comes with a range of attachments. One for wiggly wire, one for single side spot weld. Simple as putting in the end of the nozzle here, do it up with a shifter spanner, and your single side weld. It also comes with a slide hammer dent system. Same thing. Pop straight in the end, do him up with a shifter spanner. You now have a single side dent system. That welds to the panel. Pull the trigger, that'll weld to the panel, and away you go. It's very easy to use. Now, the machine comes with a trolley, fully set up, programmed. All you have to do is put a New Zealand plug on. If you can't tell me what plug you use, that comes with an Australian plug. We'll be also priced at exactly the same as New Zealand one. Can we get a picture of that, Brandy?
What?
Take a picture of the New Zealand plug. That's the Australian 3-phase plug it comes with. 32 amps, but the machine only needs to run on 20 amps. The only reason we use the 32 amp plugs is because this is the most popular plug in Brisbane, Australia. We'll be in contact the next few days for some more information. It also comes with a range of attachments as options. One of them is a C-gun. We have a C-gun?
It's over in the box. They moved the box on you, up there.
This is a C-gun attachment for wheel arches, the manual clamp. Wheel arches, and is non-high strength steel. Round headlights, that sort of stuff. It plugs into the single side section here. And you can see it's got an automatic tool recognition section, which is this particular one here. At the moment you can't see it's not plugged in, it's also out in the daylight. We're at a panel shop, hence the background noise, for which we humbly apologise. Bear in mind, just rest assured, the Telwin 10,000 is probably the easiest to use on the market. It's also one of the most cost effective. It's an air-cooled machine. You get up to 100 spot welds before the thing will cut out. You can't fry these machines. They have an automatic thermal overload in them, which is a safety factor. Turn yourself off. You'll use the compressed air from your shop to cool it down. Once it's cooled down 5 or 10 minutes later, it'll turn itself back on again and away you go. Very, very good machine. I'll talk to you all after we've sent this video email out to you all. Thank you for your attention, New Zealand. Smash your fingers.